Hello, everyone. My name is Joshua, also known as Kill Them for Christ. Today, I would like to show you how I'm able to generate a full song using AI. And without wasting much time, let me go to my first tool that I use. So, my first tool that I use is called ChatGPT. When I visit the website, here on ChatGPT, what I do is that you see on the left hand side, there are plugins over there. The second one is Songmaker. So I'll tap on the song maker. It will direct me to the interface of the song maker. So I will type my prompt. Okay, so my prompt that I've given to the music maker is that write a gospel worship song about the gift of God like a 10 years professional. This is the prompt that I've given to the AI to generate for me. So I'll just proceed for it to generate for me. Okay, so it's writing. It is writing it for me. Okay, so now it is done. Here is the song. Now that I have my lyrics, I'll come here and copy. So after generating the lyrics, my second tool that I use is called Suno. And then the Suno, I will come to create. And then here, my lyrics that I copied from the chat GPT, I will paste it here. And I will do some adjustment here. So after my adjustment, I will come down here. It is asking me for my style of music. So I have to provide the style of music that I want. So I'll go back to the chat GPT. So I will copy the gospel worship. The tone is supposed to be a reverent and uplifting. The instrument is supposed to be piano, organ, and choir. So I will need these three. And then come back here. And then I'll come and paste it here. I'll come all the way down. So here I have to type the title here. I don't want to stress myself, so I'll just go and copy the title. So now I'll come here and tap on create. As you can see, the music is loading. So now it's done. I have to play and listen to what I have created.
Heavens declare the wonders of his name. Every star that shines speaks of his great fame. In the quiet of the night, in the breaking of the day, I feel your presence here guiding my way. Your love is like a river flowing deep and wide. With every breath I take, I'm by your side. Oh, the gift of God, so pure, so true. A love everlasting that renews. In every trial, every tear we cry, the gift of God will lift us high.
Alright, so it gave me two options. Let's listen to the second option too. So if I don't like what I just created, I can just type on the create again to generate another song for me. So it's generating another song. And this is the new song that we have generated. All right, thank you for your patience and for watching. This is how I used to generate AI songs, and thank you so much. See you next time.